This is the Asian session stream, taken as part of our Road to Funded series. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you get anything of value. We are not live every single day. This is an impromptu session, but make sure you tune in to the New York session though. New York session is live every single day, 7:30 a.m. Eastern. That's 12:30 p.m. West African time. With that being said, let's get into the charts. How y'all doing? I know you're not used to hearing my raspy ass voice this late in the evening, but yeah, we are here. So tomorrow I'm not gonna stream New York session, so I thought to myself, might as well hop on stream. I'm gonna be trading for an hour either way, so might as well hop on stream. So yeah, here we are. All right, so quick breakdown here. I already got some levels going here, but so quick breakdown. So from the New York session, we mainly just I believe we came down. So you remember we were looking for those sells during New York session. They ended up playing out a little bit later on, after we got off stream. I wasn't on the chart, so I didn't really get a piece of that pie, but yeah, it is what it is. So this monthly is still coming down here, right? So we did end up dropping down. We did end up going for the sells, so we did end up pushing back down lower. So we basically came up on this weekly candle, right? Flipped, created a steeper top wick, or just a top wick. Pretty sure there was a top wick here before, but yeah, so I guess we just came up, created a steeper top wick, and then we rejected back to the downside. You didn't quite tap into these levels here, which I mean that would be where I would expect that you would make a top wick if you were coming up for a steeper top wick. But you're around those levels, right? So it's not a specific price point, it's an area, right? So yeah, I mean, for the most part, I guess this is good, right? In terms of a top wick, I guess this is good. So if we're gonna start seeing some sell opportunities here, we'll be we're impartial to the sells, right? We'll be willing to take those. But yeah, let's move on to the daily. So you see the daily. So we closed bullish, right? So we made our way up for the most part during the day, right? I mean, most of this move up was early, right? So most of this move up was from like Asian session in London, so last Asian session and then early London session, right? And then most of New York, we spent it basically rejecting this level, right? Yeah, so we rejected that level, came down here. So you closed bullish, right? You did close bullish. If you look to the left, most times you close bullish respecting this level, right? You usually come down, tap into this level for support, and then you come back up, right? And then you eventually come back up. If you're gonna do the same, right? If you're gonna mirror that move now, if you're gonna continue pushing up here, right? If you're gonna continue pushing up here after closing bullish, respecting this resistance level, this would be where you would be this level here would be where you would be looking for your bottom wicks, right? So boom, you've currently tapped this level. So now are we gonna see a push up similar to this play right here? We will see, right? We will see, because we did close bullish. I mean, the overall trend is still to the downside, but we did close bullish here, so we might just end up flipping here and taking out these highs before continuing to push back down, right? So we'll see. We will see. My fault, y'all. We will see. All right. This blue line is what? Is that the monthly? What is that level? We'll see. Okay, that's the 4-hour level. All right, cool. So yeah, so this daily could flip at any point here, but we'll see, right? We'll see. If this is not where we're looking for a bottom wick, or if we're gonna continue to drive down here, where would our next level be though? Right, will be somewhere around here, right? So we could still go for more sells here. We'll see how this 4-hour closes in about 30 minutes as well, right? So we could go for some more sells, most likely towards this level here, 183.5, but we will see. All right, 4-hour just closed, or sorry, no, 4 hour didn't just close. Previous 4-hour closed, no bottom wick, right, signifying end of range. But we came up, created a top wick, and then we drove back down, right? So we drove down all the way to this level. If you're gonna push up, right, this level is this is the level where we're looking for a bottom wick. So if we're gonna flip here, most likely you're gonna drive back to the top side, right? Because this is a perfect formation here, especially if this aligns with a 4-hour close. No bottom wick on this previous 4-hour close, and then this 4-hour close is bullish. Then we'll be looking to take the buys to the top side, right? But for now, that's some treacherous. What the hell is that? That's some treacherous waters, right? That's some treacherous waters. I'm gonna actually push this level up a little bit up. Yeah, I can't speak in the evenings. I mean, I can't really speak in the mornings either, but I think it's worse during the evening. All right, so yeah. Yeah, I'd prefer a closer above 186.5, right? A closer above 186.5 would be preferred. But yeah, so we sort of have this level here. Let me see, 186.5. What is this? All right, let's see what this is on the lower time frame. So on the hourly, okay, so that's that level here, right? Okay, cool. That's 186.5. It's the 4 level here, so that's this. Okay. Yeah, so ideally here for the buys, you would want a closer above 186.5 ideally, right? We might close, you know, we might get some buys if we just close above 186 here without really closing above 186.5, but that would have to be with a 4-hour closer, right? Which I mean, it's gonna be a 4-hour closure in the next 30 minutes, right? So we'll see what that does here. Yeah, so like I said, we have created a bottom wick. We have tapped into this level now. And after tapping into this level, you came up, created a top wick for this current hourly, right? Tapped into the resistance level again, and now this 30 closed bearish. Yeah, so most likely let me see. So this 30 closed bearish below here. So most likely you're gonna fill this rest of this range down to the downside. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna see if we can get involved with these sells. How many pips? It is about 22 pips. Let me see. So this 4 really shouldn't flip. If the 4 flips again, then most likely we're gonna drive up, right? Yeah, if the 4 flips, we're gonna drive up. So we're looking at the next level, which is around here. Okay. Yeah, that's a lot for no reason. If we flip, we're pretty much gone. So we're looking somewhere around here. Hourly, so that's this hourly level here. Okay, boom. All right, so let's see. So potentially we could get this, we could take these sells potentially. I believe there's no news, so no news. We got Aussie news, but that doesn't really matter for us. For our purposes, this 5 minutes about to close as well. I like that 5 closure. I'm just looking to the left here. Yeah, so I like this level that we're respecting here to drive down. So if we take out those lows, I'm gonna take a sell. Once we take out those lows, 186. 5, 8, 1. Stops. All right, cool. So let's see if we can get into this entry here. So 5 minutes just close, respecting. Cool. Came back, boom. We closed below. Where's our top wick? Is it here? Yeah, close below top wick there. Yeah, so We're just waiting for the break of these lows here. Once we take out those lows, we'll be in the position. Your vantage point is I mean, do I think this is gonna drive? Let me see. Do I think this is gonna drive? That's a good question, right? It's a good question. That is a good question. I mean, at the very least, we're gonna go break even, right? So as soon as we tap into these levels here, we're gonna go break even if we get if we get this position here. I need this move to happen within this 15, right? Yeah, I would need this move to happen within this 15. Yeah, if this 15 ends up closing back bullish above this level here, right, then we're gonna hold off, probably wait for the 4-hour close, the hourly close as well, right? So yeah, we'll see, but just keep in mind though, most likely what I would do here, once we tap into this level, I'll probably just put my stops, like, I'll put my stops very much in the profit, right? Probably just like right above this level, just because I'm thinking, right, if you end up driving down here with this 4-hour about to close, if you end up activating here, most likely what you'll see something like this. You'll see price drive down here, tap into this level, come back up, right? So if we just stay BE, if we just stay at BE, it's gonna take us out at BE, and then we'll probably still come back down potentially, right? Maybe come back down, close below to drive on the 4-hour, right? So what I'll do is I'll look to basically take advantage of this move here, and then if the 4-hour ends up closing bearish, I'll take advantage of that move as well. But this yeah, I would prefer that the 5 doesn't close above. All right, if the 5 closes above, that might be wraps for the move. But yeah, so we're looking for the 15 flip, not the flip, the break of the 15 lows, really. Karizama, how you doing, my brother? Coke, that Karizama charisma, my fault, bro. How you doing, man? Yeah, I'm shooting myself in the leg. My fault, yo. I can only have so many things up in what's it called? Okay, actually, what I'm gonna do? There you go. That's better. That's better. Okay, no, that's not better. There you go. Boom. All right, boom. There we go. All right, so we're about to take out those lows potentially, and okay, we just took a sell right there. Once we tap 184.737, I'm gonna go break even. Or if we tap 737, okay. So if we tap that level, I'm gonna go break even. I believe the 5 is about to close as well, so let's see how the 5 is gonna close. If the 5 closes below, even better, right? Even better if the 5 closes below. But if this 5 closes without a bottom wick, I'm gonna go break even. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so 5 closed with a bottom wick, but the current 5 opened without a bottom wick. If we flip bearish again, I'm gonna go break even. We might not flip bearish. We're tapping into this level. Yeah, nah, so I haven't moved anything yet. Let's see. Okay. Let's see here. If we flip on this 5, I'm gonna go break even. Real quick, let me just put this on screen. Yeah. Okay. It looks like we're coming for a yeah, it looks like this 4 hour might let's see. So basically what we're waiting for here, if this 5 minute, if we can flip on this 5, we're gonna go break even, right? If we flip back bearish on this 5, we're gonna go break even. Really what you want, I mean the 15 is about to close as well, so you just want this 15 to close bearish, right? If you end up closing bullish respecting this support, I might close it out. Just because the 4 hours are about to close either way, so you know, might as well wait for the 4 hour to close and then, you know, potentially take a position off of the 4 hour close. But we'll see. We will see. Yeah, so we didn't quite hit what is it, BE area, so I'm not too worried, right? I'm not too worried. If this is gonna play out, it's still gonna play out, but you know, we'll see. Of course, that's if it's gonna play out, right? If it's gonna play out, it'll play out. If it's not gonna play out, it's not gonna play out, right? So okay, let's see. Can we flip back bearish? Can we flip back bearish? That is the question. That is the question on everyone's mind, sir. Can we flip back bearish? Yeah, so I mean, if we close bullish on this 15, yeah, I might close, right? I might close it if we close bearish on the 15. Not because it invalidates the trade, right? It doesn't really invalidate the trade per se, because we are still, you know, as long as we don't close above, what is this, 185.1, right? As long as we don't close above 185.1, we're technically still trading below this level, right? We're still trading below the level where we're expecting price to reject off of, so to speak, right? So it doesn't really invalidate the trade. It's just that I'd prefer to just get out, you know, for the meantime, right? And then wait for the 4 hour to close, right? To really get a position. But we're coming back down here. If we flip, we're gonna go break even. Can we flip? Can we flip? So 5 minute close in about a minute. Can we flip before then? We will see. Coming down here. As soon as I see red, we're gonna go break even. Okay, so still didn't flip. Still did not flip. Still did not flip on the 5. Okay, interesting. Still did not flip on the 5. But this 15 still active though. 15 is still active. Charisma. Come back, my brother. I didn't see you, man. I ain't see you. Come back, son. All right, let's see. We're taking our sweet time here. All right, so 5 about, or 15 about to close. So 15 closed bearish below. So once we take out those lows again, yeah, this 15 has no top wick. 15 has no top wick, right? Yeah, once we take out those lows again, so if we take out the lows of the previous 15, I'm gonna go break even. Yeah, either that or if we make a top wick and take out our current lows. But yeah, this I mean, I haven't moved anything. I just sort of picked up my level and dropped it back down. But yeah, okay, so you're coming down here. You are coming down here. So did we take out the lows? Not quite. Not quite. And so we're about to. All right, boom. We just took out the lows. I'm gonna go break even, make this a risk-free trade. Okay, 0.2. So what is that? 0.4. 0.2 times what? 4? Is it $4 per lot? Something like that, right? Cool. Get that up a little bit. Okay, so we're dropping down here. So what I'm gonna do, soon as this minute closes, actually, let me see, where are we? All right, boom, right there. I'm gonna close full. I'm gonna close full right there. I'm gonna close full right there. So GG's. I'm gonna close full right there, and I'm gonna wait for this 4 hour to close. In terms of in regard to why I close full over there, I'll show you guys right now. Let me see, where is this at? F10. I'll show you guys why I close full. Hey, Giav, how you doing, my brother? You play asphalt and fun games. All right, so I just closed full. Yeah, I just closed full right here just because of this level here, right? You see how we came down here, we tapped into this level here, rejected, right? So we're close to that. So I just closed full right there, right? So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna wait for this 4 hour to close. So we do have potential here to get a second move, right? The second move is gonna be the one I'm expecting to run, basically. All right, so yeah, let's see. But nice little trade there though. Nice little trade right there. Nice little trade right there. Quick one, a little quick one. How many pips was that? Let me see, how many pips was that? That was about, quick math, I'm pretty slow, huh? 41 pips, so not bad. Is that for? Yeah, 41 pips, not terrible. Not terrible. All right, cool. Let's see. Let's wait for this 4 hour to close, and potentially, you know, we can get some more trades here. Potentially. All right, so should I even put that on the record? Because I mean, again, if you're tuning in for the first time, this is not when we're usually live. We're usually live in New York session, 7:30 a.m. Eastern, 12:30 p.m. West African time, right? So make sure you tune in. Well, I'm not gonna be live tomorrow. I'm not. Yeah. So I got work to. I got stuff to do tomorrow. So I don't know why I changed from work to stuff like it's a secret or some shit. But yeah, I got work tomorrow. So you know, no New York session stream tomorrow. Hence why we're live in Asian. Just to you know, buttress that. Yeah, fuck it. It was on stream. I'm gonna add it to the record. Why not? It was on stream. So nice little win right there. Nice little dub. Improve our record to 40. Nice little dub right there. And let's see, the monthly record goes to 3. Nice. Cool. All right, for the account, we are back in profits, I believe. We are back in profit. We should be about 25. So we're back in profit. That's nice. The current profit. Let me see, current profit. Well, I'll update that at the end of the stream, because we might end up taking another entry here. So we'll hold off on updating that one. What else do we need to update? So trades taken. So this is from New York. So let me see, what did we just take? Pound yen for 49 pips, did I say? Or what was that? Was that 49 or what did I say? That was 41. All right, yeah, 41 pips. Cool. All right, boom. So nice little trade there. Let's see if we can get something else, huh? Let's see if we can get something else. I'm gonna just keep on repeating it just in case, you know, we got people cycling in and out. This is not our usual time. We do trade 7:30 a.m. Eastern, 12:30 p.m. Watt West African time. Usually every weekdays, but you know, sometimes we're off, you know, because of, you know, life is gonna life and that. But yeah, like tomorrow we're off, but we are back hopefully on Friday, hopefully. But I will let you know in the community announcements and that. All right, cool. So we back in profit with a chat. Oh yes. Also, this is a, so the what this is road to funded, right? We are trying to get funded. Right now we've passed phase 1. We are currently on phase 2, right? We're currently in phase 2. Profit targets are 250. So once we get to 250, we get funded with a 5k account. What we're gonna do, we're gonna most likely trade the 5k account on stream for a little bit. If we get our first payout, then we're gonna buy a you know, what's the next one? I think it's 20k. I think it's 20k. I forget which one is next, but I think it's 20k. But then we'll get that one, and you know, gradually we'll keep on building up, and we'll do it all on stream. Y'all gonna see me lose accounts. I mean, y'all have seen me lose about what, 2 accounts now? Is it 1 or 2? I don't even know. But yeah, cool. Such is the journey of trading. So if you're in the chat though, you know, how long y'all been trading? Let me put a poll. How long have you been trading? Let me see. See, less than 1 year. One to 3 years or greater than 3 years. Oof. All right, how long y'all been trading? Let me know. Personally, I've only been trading for 5 months. Like, nah, I wish. I've been trading for, I mean, I've known about Forex for about since COVID. All right, so that's about 4 years. I opened my first account, I believe 2021, so that's about 3 years. I started yeah, so like so technically I've been trading for 3 years, right? But really only the last year really counts, right? The last year is where, you know, I sort of got my strategy. That's where I sort of started walking on my own 2 feet, so to speak, you know. And it's all thanks to, well, no free promo, but Mr. Donvo. If y'all be watching Donvo, yeah, that's homie helped my life out a lot. And I'm still not technically profitable, to be fair, but you know, it's the journey. Cool. All right, so I mean, we've made our move now, right? So like I said, if we were gonna come down for a bottom wick, this is where we would come down for the bottom wick, right? If we never closed below on the 30, I never would have taken a sell here. But the fact that we closed below this level on the 30, most likely we're still gonna come back and retest this level, right? So now, are we gonna continue pushing back up? So are we gonna see a 30-minute fake out, which would be the hourly respecting this level here? Let me see, what would that be on the 4 hour? I mean, that's the 4 hour closing in range, so it doesn't really say much on the 4. Well, yeah, if you close above here on the 4, that's saying something. But yeah, let's see wagwan. Actually, I'm out here just yapping. I really should have just analyzed gold. I mean, we still can. We still can. What just happened? Did something just change on the charts, or am I bugging? I feel like the charts just changed, no? Did something just change for y'all? I feel like something just changed, but I can't really put my finger on it. Oh, okay. Okay, let's see now. Let's see. Let's see. All right, let's see. Let's see. 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left. Oh yeah, we actually should analyze gold. I was planning on leaving at 9. I mean, we already took a trade, but I was planning on leaving at 9, but I might stick around till 9:30, especially if this 9 o'clock closes pretty nicely. We'll see. Y'all can't see it, right? I was like, yeah, I cracked myself up. I was about to say some wild shit. Yeah, okay. You know, the traffic in Asian is a little bit more. Why is that? You know what I think it is because I think there are less people streaming Asian. Yeah, I think there are less people streaming Asian. Yeah. Hey, if y'all are in here though, you know, I'd prefer. Okay, yeah. Appreciate y'all if y'all are tuning in. Hopefully you were here for the trade. You know, hopefully you got a dub with us, and hopefully we can get another one in about 2 minutes. All right, so this gold breakdown, a quick gold breakdown here. All right, you got this monthly. You got this monthly. Yeah, so you had this monthly close respecting the resistance here, right? Why is this resistance? Because price rejected here last time on a monthly and drove down, right? Now you close respecting that same level, right? Or that same price point. All right, so you might just continue pushing down here. The weekly closed above its level. Looks like you're creating a bottom wick, or you created a bottom wick, took out previous weekly low. You might flip here. You might continue pulling bullish and flip. Daily close back bearish. Well, I say back bearish, but daily close bearish. We've had bearish closure after bearish closure after bearish closure after bearish closure after bearish closure, right? So with that being said, we are bearish, isn't it? We're very clearly bearish here. So you closed below, came up, created a top wick, drove down. Yeah, so this is where we would expect the top wick, innit? All right, here or here. So you came all the way up here, created a top wick. All right, now you're currently bullish. I mean, you closed bearish below. So what level is this? So below here, right? So yeah, if you're gonna drive down now, most likely somewhere around these levels is where you would be expecting a top wick, I'd say. So boom, close rejecting, or respecting, sorry. So here and here. Yeah, so somewhere around here, like 2396 area is where I would assume you would make a top wick, right? If you were gonna make a top wick to drive down here, but you know, that's just speculation at this point. You could also make a top wick around here as well, right? So that's a rejection. If you're taking the median of all of this, you're looking at something around here, right? Something around here. So we'll see let me see what this level is on the lower time frames. Let me see what this level is on the lower time frames. Okay, so that's this right here. Okay. All right, look at this 4 hour. This 4 hour open, no bottom wick. If we keep on pushing up like this, Okay, so previous, let's see how this previous 4 closed. So previous 4 closed bullish but respecting, right? We closed bullish. Oh my goodness, what's wrong with my English, man? God damn, crazy. So, yeah, so we closed bullish respecting here, right? We did close bullish. What the fuck? We did close bullish, man. God damn. We did close bullish respecting. We have no bottom wick. If we come up all the way to this level, I'll sell right here. I'll sell as soon as we tap into this level, right? For the wick entry, I'll sell as soon as we tap into this level to eventually come back down, right? To eventually reject and come back down. But for now we'll see if we can play the, let me see how the hourly close as well. Okay, so what is this level here on the 4? Interesting stuff are happening here. Yeah, I know we're supposed to be looking at GJ right now, but you know, we have potentially some interesting things happening on gold here. Okay, so we're looking at that level potentially. This hourly close back below here, close respecting. Have we driven down from here before? Yes, we have. Are you respecting this level? Yes, you are. You're expecting all of this actually. Okay, so we might take the flip here. If we don't end up getting that wick entry, we might take the flip. I just want to confirm. Okay, so we didn't really quite close below this support here, so that might be a little bit dangerous, right? That might be a little bit dangerous here. Let me see. And that's an hour. That's the hourly level too, right? Okay, interesting. Okay, so that held support there. Came up. All right, so if we look to the left here, right? What happened when you held support here? You held support here, then you came up here to grab a top wick, and then you closed below, and then you ended up driving down, right? Okay, cool. You held support here, you drove all the way up, right? All the way up. So you never respected this resistance again. All right, drove, well, you respected here, but you didn't break the lows again. You just kept on pushing, right? Respected here, kept on pushing. Okay, this one respected, came down for a steeper bottom wick, right? Okay. All right. Cool. What I'm gonna do, so I can't take a buy. I mean, we're going up right now, but I can't really take a buy right now. Yeah, I can't really take a buy right now. But what I am looking for though, I am looking for price to either come up, tap into this level, right, and then reject, or we flip on this candle, maybe a 15-minute bearish closure, we can take the sells to the downside, right? Potentially. Yeah, my levels, let me get some more confirmed levels, to be honest with you. My levels are sort of all over the place right now. Let me put the higher levels a little bit lower. Yeah, so something around there. I see this 30. Yeah, I'll put this somewhere around there. This 30 level, put it around here. Okay. All right, so if we flip on this 15, on this 30, our vantage point is about 18 pips. So that's not terrible, right? If you're looking for a top wick here, most likely this is where it would be at. Well, around here. So this is just on the lower time frames, right? On the lower time frames, if you're looking for a top wick, that's where it would be. So, right? So as soon as you tap this level, you're gonna see a rejection, right? You're gonna see a rejection as soon as you tap these levels here. Whether that rejection is gonna flip us and drive us down, we don't know. We might just continue, we might just break through and tap into this level. If we can break through, tap into this level, come back down, close below, close below this support right here, say on the 15 or on the 30, then yeah, we'll look to take some sells off of that one too. So yeah, you see, you just tapped into that level, you're seeing a rejection. That rejection might continue it might push us down, or we might continue to come up here towards here, but we might just start pushing down now, right? We'll see. All right, in terms of the wick entry, I don't know, the wick entry, let me see. The last time we closed bullish, we came up all the way there. Yeah, I'm trying to see, because like, I mean, look at this one, right? If you look here, last time you closed bullish respecting, you closed bullish respecting here, you still came up a little bit higher before you rejected. So you came up around 2392.35, so around here. So even if we were gonna take the what's it called, the wick entry, would be around this level here. All right, the only thing I don't like, this 4 hour does sort of have a bottom wick though. I'm not gonna lie, the 4 hour does sort of have a bottom wick. Just sort of. Yeah, I wouldn't take the flip. I won't take the flip unless we tap this level. If we tap this level, I'll take the flip. But yeah, if we don't tap that level and we come down, I'll wait for a bearish closure. But keep in mind, you might just take out these lows and drive clean through. So, you know, if you don't want to miss the move, then, you know, trade accordingly. Yeah, we got a whole bunch of things here, right? Yeah, let me just take some of this off of the charts, because this is looking crazy. Actually, I'm gonna put this back, put this one back, and take this one out. Let me see. We have a level there, so let me take this out. This is your 30 here, and take this out. Okay. It's the overall level here. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Okay, we're pushing up here. And you're probably wondering, like, if I'm expecting, right? If I'm expecting to create this steeper top wick, why not just take the buys, right? Because I have no entries. That's why. Because I got no entries. I mean, I guess this is an entry. It's not even really an entry, at least not for me, right? Because I mean, technically, you did have a closure below, above here. You had this closure above, so I mean, if this is something you were looking for to take these buys, then yeah, you could have taken these buys and you would be pretty deep. Well, not let me see, it would be about 20 some pips in profit, which is not bad, right? Which is not bad. So on every given move, you can win on both sides, right? You can win on the buys, you can win on the sells. But yeah, I can't really take the buys. If we had a steeper bottom wick, if we made this steeper bottom wick maybe towards these levels here, right, and then we had this type of closure on the 5, then yeah, I would have taken that. I would have taken those buys. But without that bottom wick, this candle could flip at any point here and drive down. I mean, to be fair, we did already tap the bottom of this range, right? We did already tap the bottom of the range. So really, do we need to come down? Probably not. But yeah, things are a little too bearish for my liking to take those buys off rip. Cool. 5-minute closure. So we closed bullish, respecting this level. Interesting. Let's see if we keep on developing here. Let's see. Yeah, close respecting and came down here. Okay, cool. Interesting. I don't think, I'll tell you this though, even if we're gonna go up, I don't think we're gonna just pull through everything, right? I don't think we're just gonna come straight through this level here. You're most likely at least gonna, you know, you're either gonna see a rejection here, or you might break above but come back down here for a bottom wick type beat, you know. All right, cool. Let us see. Let us see. Yeah, I got my half-eaten food right here. For the love of the charts, you know. Yeah, can't really take. Okay, so we tapped. Did we tap it? I love it. What is that level? That's the 4 level, so it's sort of in between this two, so around here. Okay, so that's around here, 30. Yeah. All right, it's 15. It's about to close in about 3 minutes. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. If you close respecting on the 15, I'll tell you the perfect, well, not perfect per se, but the entry I would take for the sells, for the early sells. Okay. Yeah, the entry I would take for the early sells. So this 15 is about to close, right? This 15 is about to close. If you can close, so basically below this support as well. I mean, below here might work too, but yeah, if you can close. Okay. I tell you what, if you can close somewhere inside this range right here, if you can close somewhere in between these two blue lines on this 5, or no, is this 5 or 15? On this 15. Actually, let me put, so these blue lines here. Yeah, if you can close somewhere inside here, right? Somewhere between these two blue lines. If the next 15 comes up, basically takes out this high, taps into this level here. Taps into this level here. I'll take the flip of the 15. Yeah, so if the 15, so basically if this 15 closes inside this range between these two blue lines, the next 15 opens up, no bottom wick comes up, taps this level, I'll take the sell on the flip. I'm hesitant to take the wick entry here just because well, why am I hesitant? We might take the wick entry. We might, because yeah, this would be up here. Interesting. So that would be there. If you want to drive down, you're most likely gonna come and tap here, right? Okay, so you drive down here, push up. Yeah, I'm just trying to see the times we've driven up from inside these ranges. All right, if you look to the left, right, you usually come back to retest this area before, at least, well, yeah, at least this area. Yeah, let's see. Let us see. 15 about to close in about something minutes, sorry, something seconds. 50 something. Let me look at GJ real quick. What did GJ do? What the dog doing? Okay, GJ closed pretty nicely though. Hold up. Okay, I mean, so we closed respecting this level here though. On the hourly, we closed respecting the level on the hourly, which is annoying, huh? Pretty annoying. Yeah, this 15 about to close bullish as well. Yeah, so you're gonna have to wait for GJ though. You're gonna have to wait on GJ for a 30-minute close. So 9:30 is the earliest time we're taking a trade on GJ. Gold though. So you just might close inside this range. Let's see how we open up though. Let's see how we open up. All right, so you made a bottom wick, but not much of one. If you can start pushing up here, if you can start pulling up here, not gonna lie, yeah, if you can start pulling up here, if you flip bearish again for, oh yeah, fuck it. Yeah, so no wick entry for us. No wick entry for us. Okay, 30. So this 30 coming for a flip. So you might flip on the 30, maybe. Okay, pushing down now, Okay. All right, so is that a good top wick to take this 4-hour flip? Let me see. I was hoping for something more, I'm not gonna lie. I was hoping for something more. I mean, yeah, you didn't quite tap this level here. So this one came up here. That's the high that you tap, rejected. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for a tap more into these areas. I see that we are tapping into the MAs though. We did tap into the MAs. Yeah, I mean, there's no point in rushing this now. I guess we've already waited this long. Might as well, you know, wait for the best entry or just let the move play out, I guess. So what could happen here, right? You could flip on this 4-hour and drive down, but you look to the left, right? Look to the left. Again, I'm being maybe a little bit too you know, specific or being too exact with what I'm looking for, but again, we've been waiting for this move for a while, so I really don't see a point in just rushing it. If we end up driving here, the move plays out without us, it is what it is, right? It is what it is. But basically, if you look to the left, right? If you look to the left, how many all these times the price is closed respecting this level, all right? Where did you go up to minimum, right, to create a top wick before driving back down, right? So let's look to the left. Let's look to the left here, right? So here you close respecting here, right? This is where you tap. Look at where you tap right here. You tap there, right? Here you close respecting. You tapped here. Move to the left. Here you close respecting. You tap. I mean, this one just went all the way. You actually closed bullish above. So I'm only looking for times when you close respecting and you didn't, you know, you didn't close bullish above, or you didn't you know, continue to drive up, so to speak. So same thing here, right? Same thing here. Came up here. Let me see, this one respected, same thing here, right? Tapped into that level before you came back down. So if I'm gonna drive down here, I'm expecting my top wick to be in this whole mess of you know, this huddle right here. And to be fair, technically you've tapped it. I mean, it's a level, right? It's a range, it's an area, it's not a specific price point, right? So this is technically a good top wick. This is technically a good top wick, but you know, like I said, I'd prefer, we did still close above, right? We did still close above on the what is it, on the 30 or the 15? No, 30 closed back below. Yeah, on the 15. Yeah, so we did still close above on the 15, so you want to at least close back down below, right? Yeah. So if we had tapped into this levels, you know, a lot more convincingly, I would have taken the flip. I mean, we still haven't flipped here, so yeah. So I mean, if we tapped here, I would have taken the flip, or as soon as we tap, if we tap, I'll take the flip. But for now, I'm gonna have to wait for the 30-minute closure to be bearish. And we're talking about sells, but you know, there's a world where someone else is looking for buys, right? Because they're looking at this, the market's a lot different. I mean, if we came down and we created a bottom wick here, then we, you know, started flipping, right? We start flipping on this candle. You close bullish above on the 30, you can take a buy, right? So there's a lot of things that can happen here. We just need our signal. We just need our signal to take a buy or to take a sell. All right, let me look at a poll. Let me look at the poll. So 100% of y'all trading between 1 to 3 years. That's what's up. That's what's up. I am also one of you, 100%. I mean, only one person answered the poll, so you know, it's just one person. It's just one person, but yeah. Yeah, it's funny. I too have been trading for about 3 years, so to speak, give or take. Oh man, damn. All right, 10 minutes until the 30-minute close. Yeah, as soon as we up off stream, I'm gonna get on. Now I got about 4 videos to make. And now look, you know, somebody was asking me the other day, right? Like, they were watching my shorts, and they noticed that, you know, all my shorts are of me winning, you know, but I never put shorts of me losing, right? What would that do? Right? What would that do? Right? The whole point of the shorts are for, you know, it's marketing, so to speak. Right? Once you actually come to the stream, I mean, even on the shorts, you can see our record, right? Our record is right there, so it's not like we don't show that we have losses, right? So once you come to the stream, you can decide for yourself, you know, whether you want to stay or not. But I'm not gonna just start putting out but I mean, I put out losses sometimes when, you know, there's something interesting about the loss, right? If it's just like I messed up, or, you know, if it was just a loss, right? Maybe I read the chart wrong, maybe I, you know, I ain't consider the right levels, then yeah, that's just what it is, right? But if it's an interesting loss like the other one with GJ and volume and all of that, yeah, if it's an interesting loss, then I'll make a video or I'll make a short. But if not, it's like, why advertise against myself for no reason? All right, just because I'm trying to be what, holier than thou or something? Nah, man, I ain't doing that. I ain't with that bud. I ain't with that bullshit. Well, with that bullshit. 50 on my dash, in it, running on school shit. Y'all ever been really thirsty and then you drink water? Yeah, that shit, it's like crack. It's like crack cocaine, man. Or maybe not cocaine, just crack. Same thing, huh? It's like heroin. What state is that? They call heroin heron. And is that Mississippi or something? Okay, so you wait, whoa, what just happened here? Okay. Yeah, I mean, you're coming up here. We're not fixated on the buys, or sorry, on the sells. So if we do get opportunities for the buys, we'll take it. We will take it. But you know. Hey, yeah, you want to be careful around these areas if you're gonna take the buys. Yeah, buys would come. So closer above here for the buys. Yeah. Yeah, so buys above here potentially. Keep in mind, we still don't have a bottom. Well, if you zoom in really closely, we do have a bottom wick, but this is the 4-hour candle, right? So you're expecting more of a bottom wick than this, man. What's going on? You know what I mean? Let's see what GJ doing.
What the dog doing?
What the dog doing? Okay. This is an interesting formation on GJ. I'm not gonna lie. This is a very interesting formation on GJ. 4 hours. So you come down, you flip. Look at those lows, Mike. Take. Interesting. I mean, classic breakout. You know, retest to continue on the 4. It looks like that's what's forming on the 4. I'd be more willing to take this if we didn't already tap into this level. I mean, but yeah, I mean, if you were gonna drive back down, that would be where you did it, innit? Let me see. That's this level here, right? Yeah, that's that level there. Which is, yeah, it's holding pretty strongly though. Holding pretty strongly. Interesting. Yeah. The only way we taking sales on GJ is a closure bearish. 30-minute closure bearish. If we don't close bearish on that 30, then c'est la vie, right? C'est la vie. As for buys, because you are sort of now, you know, you're pushing up on the daily. You're pushing up on the daily to potentially flip after creating this bottom wick. So if you flip on the daily, you have range to fill, right? You do have this range to fill here, which is interesting in and of itself. But yeah, so you don't really have anything clear. There's no clear road right now. The buys are pretty treacherous to take because you do have levels in your way. You got resistance levels in your way. So, you know, yeah, you might just close inside the range and, you know, range for the rest of the session until London decides to, you know, either push up, push down, or do whatever. Hey, 2 minutes. Hey, bah. 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left. What's gold saying? What's gold saying? I'm coming back down. Coming back down. Down. Coming back down. Coming back down. Okay, see. I'd say you want, so for gold, to take the sells here, yeah, I'd say you want to close, yeah, you really want to close bearish to take the sells on gold. You really want to close bearish, but there is a world where we might let's see, let me not say too much. I mean, not because a lot of things can happen, right? So if I just start calling out every single possibility, yeah, we'll be here for a minute. Let's see time. All right, GJ, most likely we're not gonna get anything on GJ. Go back to gold. All right, gold closing in a minute. Gold closing in 1 minute. Let's see. Gold closing in 1 minute. My fault. It will have 4. My fault. My fault. All right, we're gonna close. We're not gonna close bearish, but we're gonna close respecting. Yeah, we are gonna close respecting. All right, let's see how this 30 opens. Can this 30 open without a bottom wick? Let's see. If we can open on the 30 without a bottom wick, yeah, I'm gonna wait for a top wick towards this level, and then I'll take a sell on the flip. Okay. All right, that's the open. That's open. So nice open right there, no bottom wick. Nice open, no bottom wick. I like that. Now we just need, I mean, we might drive down now. We might, but we just might, but I'm gonna wait for a top wick towards here. Yeah, if we can get a top wick towards here, we'll take the flip. We'll take a sell on the flip of this 30. See daily. Okay. Did we just let me see. Okay, so not yet. Yeah, so two possible entries here. If we tap into this level, we'll take a flip of this 30. But if we continue to push up past that, if we tap into this level without flipping on the 30, I'll take a sell right here for the wick entry. Yeah. So let's see if we can get something cooking here. So if you take a sell there, okay, looks like you're about to flip on that 30. Okay, so you just flipped on the 30. You might drive down, but I'm not gonna be involved with that. Not really gonna be involved with that. I want to see a steeper top wick. I would like to see a steeper top wick, which you're coming up for now. Yeah, if you're gonna drive through, you're gonna tap into this level. Probably take out these highs here. When all right, cool. Let's see. These highs here. All right, let's see. I mean, you've already flipped and you're driving down now, right? If you flipped and you're driving down, but I wanted a steeper top wick. Yeah, we might just miss this move. I'm trying to think, can we take the flip? Can we take the flip of the 4? Yeah, the thing is we're still trading above these areas here, so at any point you could tap that and just drive back up. Okay, you're coming down for the flip, so this 4 hours about to flip now. This 4 hours about to flip, so where's the flip of this? All right, so if that flips, you're not expecting to come back up here, so still, I guess this level here, boom. All right, cool. Coolio. So that's about to flip. That is about to flip. Okay, so we're not in there. Yeah, this might just melt without us. But it is what it is. I can't really take this yet, because really we're still trading above those levels, right? Okay, there goes your 5 close. How did that 5 close? Yeah, this level is sort of choppy. What's GJ doing? What's GJ doing? 30-minute closed above. Okay. Yeah, so you flipped on this 4 hour, right? You flipped on this 4 hour. You didn't drive immediately. You flipped on the 4 hour, but you didn't drive immediately. But But you're still yeah, man, it's pretty tough to take. This is pretty tough to take. The 5 closed below. No bottom wick. Well, yeah, I do have a bottom wick. But then you have this level here. How many pips is that level? 8 pips? Not really. 7 pips? About 7 pips. Look at this. You drove up significantly from there. So really your vantage point. It's about 4 pips. Yeah, if we take this sell here, our vantage point is about 4 pips on the 5. If this 15 closes below here, we cooking. Okay. All right. So I tell y'all what. Okay, so and for GJ, it's pretty much wait for the next hourly to close. Because even if that 30, well, the next 30 closer is the hourly closer, so never mind. What you might see here, though, you might see this 15 close back into the range, right? If the 15 closes back into the range here, you could take these sells back to the downside. All right, you could take these sells to the downside. Your vantage point is pretty good here. Your vantage point is pretty good. Yeah, but keep in mind, this is what the daily looks like, right? So before you take any sells here, remember this is what the daily looks like. Daily looks like you tapped into a level, created a bottom wick for this candle to drive up and fill the rest of this range, right? But at the same time, you're tapping into these levels, right, to reject to the downside. But the first thing you did, you've already tapped those levels actually. So first thing you did here was create a bottom wick. So let's see. Hence why you want to be careful with taking the sells. You probably want to wait for the next hourly closure, to be honest. Because yeah, this 30 closed above, so you want to wait for the next 30 closure, which would be the hourly close as well. Let me see. In terms of taking these yeah, 4-hour flip. Yeah, let's see how the 15 closes, y'all. If the 15 closes below, let me see. If the 15 closes below here, let me see. Yeah, 15 close below there, we'll look to take a sell. Ay baba, cool. Nice little Asian session, huh? Nice little Asian session. Yeah, I doubt we're gonna take I doubt we're gonna get an entry here, but so might as well update current profit. Current profit, we're sitting at 25. About 25 in profit. Plus 25. It's about 10%. It's about 10%. 10% a day keeps the FOMO away. I said FOMO, fear of missing out. I ain't say something else. Just in case the cancel culture saying that. I joke, I kid. I joke. Somebody about to clip that shit 5 years from now. They're like, hey, ain't that the guy that trades? He said XYZ, you know what I mean? Oh, another person. Oh, 3 people voted. That's what I like to see. That's what I like to see. All right, so 1 person below a year, 2 people. Nice, nice, nice. How did y'all hear about Forex? How did y'all hear about it? Well, not hear about it. I think a lot of people have heard about it, but like, how did you hear about it in a way that actually made you want to, you know, look into it? All right, so you're driving down here. I mean, yeah, not much we could have done there. I mean, we could have taken the wick entry, but yeah, nah. And to be honest, the wick entry would have been the best entry. I don't really like playing around in these levels. Yeah, I'm not a fan. Yeah, 15 about to close. Let's see how this 15 closes. Yeah, I'm not gonna boy it. I'm not gonna fucking stress the situation. We close below here, we take a sell. If not, say Lofi. All right, pretty straightforward here. Pretty straightforward. So 2 minutes left for a closure. Can we close below? If we do close below, yeah, those are my, I mean, you could come back up here. So those would be my stops right there. Hey, mama. Dum, 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 dum. I'm mad tired, bruh. I'm mad tired, bruh. Alright, you're pushing up here. 15, last 15 minutes of the hourly. Oh, not the last 15 minutes. Second to last 15-minute closure of the hourly. This minute on GJ might close below, but we don't care. We're not taking those sales until we see a 30-minute close bearish. Bow, 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 bow. Is it just me or this music sort of making me sleepy, bruh? Damn. Why the music gotta be so mellow? Mellow. There's a dude. There's this UK what's it called? Social media guy. Dude makes scratches, like he just talks normally, and then he'll add like a, you know, like a disc scratch in there. He'll be like you're done or yeah, UK Donny. Yeah, it was hilarious, man. That dude's hilarious. All right, let's see if we can get this 30-minute 15-minute closure below. I highly doubt it, but stranger things have happened. Everything is not what it seems. Everything is not what it seems. Yo, Disney back in the day was goated. 23.97. That John was goated back in the day. Alright, so this 15 about to close. Looks like that's gonna be it for us, y'all. 15 about to close back in range. It looks like we were looking to take the sales a while ago. Yeah. Wait, why didn't I take this 15 closure? Was 30 close 15? I'm sure I had a reason. Okay, y'all. Let me see. GJ close respecting. 15 has no bottom wick. You could close above and continue pushing up. Very possible, good possibility that's the case, right? All right. Okay, y'all. So here's what I'm gonna look for. I mean, I'm gonna still be trading low key. Still be trading, but in terms of the buys for GJ, yeah, I mean, I'd prefer 186.5. So closer above 186.5, I'll take some buys. These sells might be a little bit more treacherous, right? Cause yeah. Came up, came back down. Yeah, I got nothing here. Y'all. Got nothing here. We're gonna wait for some actual closures. So the hourly is gonna close soon, so we're gonna wait for that. Yeah, but yeah, that's gonna be it for me though. It's gonna be it for me on stream. So we were early to get some early trades. We were able to get some early trades, which is nice, which is fuego. So yeah. Weren't able to get anything else. We were stalking this move for a while, but it just sort of happened. So it is what it is. So on gold, I'm gonna look to continue pushing down. I'm gonna look to continue these sells to the downside, but this guy has to give us an entry first. As for GJ, let me see. As for GJ, it's the hourly there. Time that level come up. Yeah, as for GJ, I'll probably wait for this 30 closer below here. All right, 30 closer below 185 areas, and maybe take a sell, right? But yeah, that'll be the flip of the hourly as well. The hourly closing bearish. All right, y'all, that's gonna be it for me. Appreciate y'all for tuning in again. This is not a normal thing. We're usually live in New York, 7:30 a.m. Eastern. That's 12:30 p.m. Watt. But if we're not gonna make it to the stream, I will let you know on the community announcements. Tomorrow for sure there's no stream, hence why we had the Asian stream today. But yeah, appreciate y'all for tuning in. Hopefully y'all got the earlier trades. And you know, don't forget, leave a like, subscribe if you got anything of value, of course. And with that being said, peace.